In this video, you'll learn how to host a website on Namecheap in just a few minutes, so you can take your project live with fast performance and reliable uptime. First, go to Namecheap.com and sign in to your account. Click on Hosting List in the left sidebar to see all your hosting plans, or purchase a new one if you haven't subscribed to a hosting package yet. Next, connect your domain to your hosting account. Open your domain settings, change the name servers to the ones provided by Namecheap Hosting, and wait a few minutes for the DNS changes to fully propagate. Now, access your cPanel by clicking Go to cPanel inside your hosting dashboard. cPanel is your control center, where you can manage files, databases, emails, and every other technical part of your website. After that, upload your website files. Open File Manager, navigate to the public HTML folder, and upload your files using the Upload button. If your files are zipped, extract them directly inside this folder. Once everything is uploaded, visit your domain in a browser to confirm your website is live. From here, you can install SSL, enable email forwarding, set up backups, and tweak performance settings as needed. And that's it. Your website is now hosted on Namecheap, secure, fast, and ready for the world to visit.